Hey, it's Felicia Unique Sweets, your virtual cake coach, and I am guiding you through all things cake. This is my elevated box cake series. In episode 1, I'm turning yellow mix into spice cake. This video is not sponsored or paid, so no brand names will be shown or mentioned. You'll need a mix, 4 eggs, 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 1/2 cup of oil, 1/2 cup of sour cream. The spices I'm using are 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, and 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Before starting, spray your pans with a no-stick baking spray or a flour butter mixture, which I'll show in another video. Add the mix to a medium-sized mixing bowl, and then add your spices. Once your spices are added, whisk them together with your mix until it's well incorporated. After that, make a little hole in the middle of the mix so you can add your liquids, which are your eggs and your oil and your buttermilk. Don't add the sour cream yet. Mix it starting in the middle and move around the edges so that you're gathering the dry ingredients together with the wet to make it a nice smooth batter. Then you add your sour cream. Once the sour cream is incorporated, add the vanilla extract. If you're not using a scale, scooping equal amounts of batter into each pan with an ice cream scoop ensures uniform layers. I'm using 6-inch pans for this video because I'm baking these in a toaster oven at 325 for about 25 to 30 minutes. I prefer my cakes to rise higher than the edges because I cut them to make them even. Next, I flip them onto a wire cooling rack to cool completely, and then I wrap them to refrigerate or freeze for at least 24 hours. In the next video, I'll be making spiced buttercream to ice and decorate this cake. Have a nice day. Okay, bye.